Posters have been put up in Delhi accusing the BJP of the recent shooting incidents. Remember, 3 shooting incidents have been reported in the national capital in the past 24 hours. In the first incident, a showroom in Narayan Vihar area of West Bengal specializing in old luxury cars was targeted. Gunmen fired 20 rounds at the establishment before fleeing the scene, leaving behind a slip of paper with the name of Portugal-based gangster Himanshu Bhau. Now, in a separate incident, a hotel in Delhi's Mahipalpur area was fired upon with no injuries reported. The third shooting occurred at a sweets shop in Nangloi, outer Delhi, and in fact 2 masked individuals arriving on a bike and arrived on a bike and fired 3 to 4 rounds at the shop. Mehndi on the telecast with me. Mehndi, there are these posters that have now been put up across the national capital and they're accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of the recent attacks that have taken place in the national capital. What more can you share with us?
Well, yes, Asavri, right now we are at ITO, that is in the middle of the Delhi, the national capital, and here the posters have been put up earlier in the morning saying that BJP is, supporting the gangsters and the gangs in the national capital. These posters were put up early in the morning, but right now we talk about the situation at ITO right now. Several posters, around 5 to 10 posters were put up here early in the morning, but right now all the posters have been put out by the NCD, and now there is no poster as such present at the ITO in the central Delhi. But if we talk about the posters regarding what these posters were, then it was clearly written in those posters that the incidents that are being seen in the Delhi NCR, that how several mass shootings are happening, several incidents are happening. Then in that poster it was clearly messaged that BJP is instigating and is increasing the gangs and the gangsters in the national capital. This was an anti-BJP poster that were put up, but right now no posters are here. And if we talk about the incident, then in the last 24 hours we all saw that 3 major incidents happened in the national capital, one in the West Delhi, one in the South Delhi, and one in the outskirts of the Delhi NCR. And all these 3 incidents were regarding one of the gangsters, and the politics has also escalated over this issue because Arvind Kejriwal along with the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that Jungle Raj has started in the Delhi NCR and they are targeting the BJP, that the security is under BJP in Delhi, and the Jungle Raj has started. So it has been requested by Saurabh Bhardwaj, the minister, also that the BJP should take strict actions against them. And also if we talk about Bharatiya Janata Party, then they are targeting Aam Aadmi Party, saying that this is the governance, this is the government that they are seeking right now in the Delhi NCR. So yes, the war of words have started, but these posters were put up early in the morning at the ITO, which is in the central Delhi right now. You are seeing the visuals behind me also. This is the most busiest route if we talk about inside the Delhi NCR, and also this route joins Delhi to Noida. So on this road, major 5 to 10 anti-BJP posters were put up, but right now all of them have been put down.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.